On this Media Minute, we're talking drones, specifically the 3DR Solo. Is it still a worthy drone in 2018 with competitors like DJI? Because of this, we'll use air samples from a warmer, friendlier time here in Montana. First, the DJI Mavic. It's fast, nimble, and really small. The 3DR Solo, well, isn't. Does that make the Solo bad? Absolutely not, it's just different. When GoPro announced the Karma, I made this highly detailed model to estimate its size. Turns out, the Solo is very similar in size and flight. The Solo flies heavier than the Mavic, needs more room to stop, and uses an older GoPro and big gimbal. But it's fun to fly, and can really test your stick skills, much more than the practically autonomous Mavic. If collision avoidance is your safety blanket, the Solo doesn't have it. But the Mavic's isn't perfect. False sense of security? What do you think? Share your comments and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.